Krushaka Sarvasya Bhavi Varta, which means the farmer is the future provider for all. Indian agricultural sector feeds 1.4 billion people, yet our farmers still face the struggle with unpredictable weather, crop disease, unfair market prices. To solve this issue, we built Unnati, an AI-powered blockchain smart agriculture ecosystem designed to guide the farmers at every steps. So moving forward, I will provide the demo of the app, how it works. So here the farmer will first choose English, and by selecting the English, he can also listen that
English.
Yeah. Then by hearing this, he can proceed with the further task. Moving forward, he will create its account, and by pressing here the next option, he will provide its number and then send OTP. As soon as he will click on the OTP will be generated on his phone number, and the OTP, as he put the OTP here, the account is created. As soon as the account is created, he will ask for the user to allow its location to access where the farmer is staying. So here this is the UI, the main page of the app, and here everything like farmer details, like weather, the land size, market prices, everything, just a summary of the stack we are giving here. This is a complete personalized AI bot for the farmers, which will have complete information related to all doubts and the queries asked by the farmers. Like here I will type check weather. So as soon as I searched it, it will provide me the information like go on this particular tab, search for this window, and then click on it, and you can see the complete forecast for that. And also we are also having an amazing feature for the farmers who can't write. So basically by clicking on the mic and asking the question, it will provide a solution for us, like फसल की कीमत कैसे पता करें. So he will answer in detail that go to this tab, click on this option, and a certain menu will appear which will provide all the prices related to mandis, retailers and distributors. Here as soon as we go on the market, we can see here the crop prices and the price at which the local mandi retailers are selling the crops. Like the wheat crop is selling on date at 2,800 rupees per quintal at the local mandi. So here if a farmer wants to set alert, so he can set the alert by keeping his required price here and confirming the alert. So here the alert is set for the farmer, and as soon as the price hit to that particular price, it will send an alert to the farmers that your required price is available at the mandi. And the uptrends that the crops are having, like 2% uptrend, that is cotton is having a maximum price in the market, and it is going 2% up from the previous price. Moving forward to the next part, that is the sell the crop. So if a farmer wants to sell a crop, like a farmer wants to sell a wheat crop here, so he will click on the sell crop. And the quantities he want to sell, like here 25 quantities he want to sell, and the total amount is giving 73,750. And as soon as I confirm the sale, a blockchain wallet will open, and it will track all the transaction by successfully saving all the transaction IDs from both the sides. And as soon as I download on the invoice, it will completely download the invoice, and there the transaction ID for the farmers is completely saved, so that if another wants to track the complete transaction details, he can track by using the transaction IDs. So moving forward to the next part, that is the AI part. So basically here the farmer this is the specialized personalized AI system for the farmer. So basically as soon as the farmer will ask the query, like I will show you here that how it asks, like record the voice. बस मेरे टमाटर के फसल में कुछ समस्या है. So here the voice is recorded, and here the complete notation will be given, and as soon as I give the list, put the listen button, it will read the complete text for the farmer like this.
कीट नियंत्रण के बारे में आपके प्रश्न के आधार पर मैं आपकी फसलों में एफर्ट्स की जांच करने की सलाह देता हूं। यहाँ कुछ विशेषज्ञ और दुकानें हैं जो आपकी मदद कर सकती है।
As you heard that it is completely given by the AI, that is the personal assistant for the farmers, and here to also cure that disease, the numbers of the farmers are given with the perfect contact details and the number, the crop doctors, everything, and also the fertilizers to which the doctor will provide can be taken from this Agro Valley, that is a retailer which provides the fertilizers and pesticides. So basically the important feature of our app is by uploading the image, the farmer can get the solution of his problem. Like for example, as I click on the image upload, it will provide the solution like the tomato plants with the yellow leaves. The AI will answer it that I can see the yellowing leaves on the tomato plants. This will appear to be as a nutrients deficiency, and also recommend to go to fertilizers and by checking the soil pH, and also mention that the soil pH can be different from the others. So basically it will provide us the complete solution for that and recommend us to visit the doctors and also take the fertilizers from the retailers. So as soon as we move to the history part, all history queries are stored. All the doubts and queries asked by the farmers are stored here, like the ChatGPT stores the data. And as soon as we move forward to the harvest and the revenue, here we all store the prices and the data of the farmers that he had sold. Like the farmer has sold a wheat of 70,000 till date. And here, as we provide further, the last transactions that we had shown tracked by the blockchain is completely available here, like the quantities we had sell to which market, and also the transaction ID stored by the blockchain. And also here it is a proof of the blockchain, and here a farmer can download the complete receipt with its complete blockchain ID. So as you can see, the weather forecast of the upcoming days are here, and it will set an alert for the farmers that the upcoming days will be difficult for the particular crops. Then moving forward, we are also having the separate retailers, marketers, and all the doctors registered on a separate web app that I will be giving the demo after this video. Like this, here you can call and do everything to the retailers or farmers that requires a assistant from the doctors. And also we are having the notification part here that I previously mentioned that it will provide the alerts, like the farmer will get alert related to the pest, weather, everything, as you can see here. Moving forward to the profile part, here is the personalized profile for the farmers that right from the sowing of the crop, that the time period till the harvesting part is recorded and completely mentioned in this app, and the whole data that we are taking from the crop is completely mentioned in the profile section, and through that profile section we are completely fetching the data for the rest of the research part. Now again, moving forward to the next part, that is the web app for the Unnati's partner network. That is the main topic, like we are having that for providing the guidance for the farmers regarding retailers, fertilizer sellers, and doctors. And moving forward to the next part, I will show the demo of it. Like for the sign up part, I will select first the role, that how it is working. For example, let's say I will first take the example of fertilizer shop. Then I will put the name here, then email address, the password, organization name, the services offered like fertilizers, the address, the phone number, and register as a partner. So here a complete dashboard of the fertilizer seller is created. Mention the total revenue, active orders, farmer connects, and growth rate. So basically you can see here the new orders placed by the farmers and the advisory sessions completed and the payment received from the farmers. Here the complete profile mentioning the complete details about the fertilizer sellers is mentioned here. Moving forward to the analytics, that as soon as the payment will be done, analytics will be shown here. And same with messages too. So moving forward with the next part, like as soon as I will sign out from here, I will again re-register for the another part. Now moving forward to the next part, that is the government portal. We are also linked here the government portal, which will help the farmers to know about the government schemes provided by the government. Here the complete email and the registration process will be done from the officers. And here as soon as the OTP will be sent, OTP here will be registered, verify and login. So here the complete dashboard for the government will be shown, like the complete analytics in the particular region, like the total crops monitored, active farmers, disease alerts, at the percentage diseases the farmers are facing, the average yield from the previous sessions and all. Here the crop analytics is done, like the 75% of the wheat crop is coming from this region, the trend, price trend, everything is completely shown in the dashboard. So moving forward to the weather dashboard, the government officials can give the alerts to the farmers by setting an alerts of the weathers and sending these messages to the farmers. And the disease report, like here the diseases mentioned from the doctors will be analyzed by the government officials, and here from that they can validate or reject the request of the doctors. Moving forward to the fertilizer uses, here it will be updated as per the uses of the farmers. And here the push advisories, like the advisories for the farmers, like for in a particular week the weathers will be worse, so advisory will be created for the farmers by mentioning a proper records that the weather in the upcoming week will be very hazardous for the crops. So from here they will create an advisory and publish it to the farmers, and farmers will receive it in our Unnati app. And the training videos to guide the farmers about the particular crop or specific type of crop, like let's say a dragon fruit, to harvest a dragon fruit, a particular process is done. So basically for that process, government officials can give an appropriate video or the modules or the PDFs to guide the farmers in a proper way of farming. And the farmers reach, let's say here is the complete data of the farmers, the active farmers, like the crops they had sold in a particular year, every matrix that government has to monitor to show the complete revenue collections from the farming area in our GDP. So basically this is the complete Unnati app plus web app, complete ecosystem for the smart farming for the agriculture.